हेलो गाइस, मैं आनंद स्वागत करता हूँ आपका अपने चैनल राजवाड़ा क्लासेस पर। टुडेस आवर चैप्टर इज पार्टीशन वैल्यूज। टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस चैप्टर प्लीज डोंट स्किप द वीडियो, प्लीज सी द होल वीडियो फॉर अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस इज इन फॉर बेटर वे। नाउ मीनिंग फर्स्ट, इन पार्टीशन वैल्यूज our topic is quartile, meaning quartiles are values of data. Quartiles are values of data which divide the whole set of observation into four equal parts. How many? Four equal parts. There are three quartiles. How much? Three quartiles which divide the data in four equal parts. When data is arranged in ascending order, they are popularly known as Q1, Q2 and Q3. This is whole data. Q1, Q2 and Q3. These three quartiles divide the whole data in four sets. First set is this second, and this one third, and this one fourth. Understood? Now guys, we have to learn some formulas for getting quartile. Okay, formula number first is for raw data or ungrouped data. Formula is Q1 is equal to size of I n plus 1 upon fourth observation, where I is equal to 1, 2, 3. Why 1, 2, 3? Because we are in quartile we have four equal parts, so 1, 2, 3. Next, for group data. Group data means what? Class interval like Qi is equal to L plus In minus Cf upon F into H, where I is equal to 1, 2, 3. Now this formula is very simple. This is also simple, but some major terms here. L is equal to what? Lower limit. F frequency. Cf cumulative frequency and total number of frequency. H is equal to height of the class interval. Now guys, what is Cf, what is N, what is H, what is F or what is S? These all things you have to learn in 10th standard. Understood guys? Here we have the sum. Sum for raw data. Calculate Q1, Q3 for given data. Data is 40, 85, 84, 83, 82, 69, 68, 65, 64, 55 and 45. Now solution. So we arrange the data in ascending order. Ascending order of given data. So first one is 40, then 45, then 55, 64, 65, 68, 69, 82, 83, 84 and 85. Now for finding the quartile we have the formula Qi. So now what we get to find? Q1. So Q1 is equal to size of n plus 1 upon fourth observation. N plus 1 upon fourth observation. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have n is equal to 11. What is n? Total number of observation. Now here size of 3 plus 1 upon fourth observation. Size of 3 plus 1 what we get? Sorry, n is equal to here what is 11. So 12 upon fourth observation. Size of third observation. Size of third observation is equal to first, second, third. What is third? 55. So Q1 is 55. Understood? For Q3 is equal to size of I bracket n plus of fourth observation is equal to size of I का वैल्यू क्या लेना हमको? Q3. तो 3 n plus 1. What is n? 11 plus 1 upon fourth observation. Now size of what we get here? 3. तो ये हुआ 3 और 11 plus 1 12 upon 4 3 observation. Then size of 3 into 3 9th observation. What we get? 9th observation. Now first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. What is 83? So Q3 is 83. Now answer is Q1 is equal to 55 and Q3 is equal to 83. Understood? Now guys, here we have the sum for discrete data. First we arrange this data in ascending order. So we prepare a new table with ascending order. Now income X, number of person F and CF. Okay guys, third, fourth, fifth, sixth or seventh. Now 4, 5, 9, 12, 15, 6 or 10. Smaller is 4, then 5, then 6, then 9, then 6, then 9, then 10, then 12 और then 15. Now फोर्थ का फ्रीक्वेंसी कितना है गाइस 6, फिफ्थ का 8 और सिक्स्थ का 9, नाइन्थ का 12, 10 का 10, 12 का 8, 12 का फ्रीक्वेंसी इज 8 एंड 15th का 6. नाउ वी कैलकुलेट CF. फर्स्ट वन इज लाइक सेम, देन 6 और 8 ऐसा दिस ऑर्डर में हमको लिखना है. 6 और 8 14, 14 और 9 23, 23 और 12 2 और 3 5, 2 और 1 3 35 एंड 10 45 एंड 8 करेंगे तो 53 एंड 6 ऐड करेंगे तो हम लोग 59. सो समीशन ऑफ F means N. Summation of F means N is equal to how much? 59. Now for Q1 is equal to size of n plus 1 upon 4th observation. Okay guys, size of how much n? N is 59. 59 plus 1 upon 4th observation. Size of 60 upon 4th observation. By dividing this, how much we get? 4 1 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4. Remaining to 20. 1 or 5. Fifth observation. 15th observation. 15 4 is 60. Now 15th observation where we to check in frequency column. 15 तो है ही नहीं कहीं पर भी, बट इन CF कॉलम गाइस 16, 14, 23, 35, 45, 53 एंड 59. हमको 15th ऑब्जर्वेशन कहाँ पे फाइंड करना है? CF में. नाउ 6 में 15 आ रहा क्या? नहीं, इधर 14 है ओनली. इन 23 लाइज 15. ये जो 15 है कहाँ पे लाई करेगा या फिर कहाँ पे आने वाला है? 23rd में. नाउ अब ये 23rd से अपने को चेक करना है इनकम कॉलम में कितना इनकम 6. सो हियर 6 लाख is our Q1. Understood?